Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to format your YouTube video descriptions with bold text, custom font styles, emojis, timestamps, and social templates. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube Description Formatter tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, as you can see, there is a main editor box labeled Enter Your Text. You can start typing directly or paste your raw description text right into the box. Above the editor, you'll find a complete formatting toolbar. You can apply bold, italic, strike-through, or underline formatting with a single click. You can also pick custom fonts from the Unique Styles drop-down, open the built-in emoji picker, or click the plus timestamps and plus socials buttons to instantly insert pre-formatted structural templates directly into your description. If you look right below the text editor, you'll see a real-time description stats panel. It automatically tracks your character count out of YouTube's 5,000 character limit, total word count, hashtag count out of 15, and overall editor status. Once your description is formatted and ready, simply click the red Copy Text button to copy everything directly to your clipboard and paste it straight into YouTube Studio.